This question is about forming equations and solving them. But in the first part, we're asked to form an expression. Now, an expression is a little bit like an equation, but it doesn't have an equal sign. The question asked me to form an expression in x for the perimeter of the rectangle. What this means is work out the perimeter of the rectangle, but your answer is going to have x in it somewhere. Now, this top side is 2x plus 5. Because it's a rectangle, the bottom is 2x plus 5 as well. This side is x minus 1, so this side is also x minus 1. Now I need to work out how many x's I've got all together in my perimeter. 2, add 1 is 3, add another 2 is 5, add another 1 is 6. So it's 6x. I now need to look at the numbers. I've got 5, minus 1 is 4, add 5 is 9, minus 1 is 8. So my expression is 6x plus 8. It hasn't got an equal sign, so it's an expression, not an equation. In the next part, I have to make an equation. So I'm going to have my expression, and now it says that the perimeter is 50, which means that this must be equal to 50. Then it asks me to solve it. I'm going to use the techniques of float and ping and escalator to solve this equation. If you can't remember how to do these techniques, please watch clip 60. To begin with, I'm going to put a bubble around the plus 8. It's going to gently float over the equal sign, and as it floats over, you'll hear a ping sound. That's the plus 8 changing to a negative 8. So I've got 6x equals 50 minus 8. That gives me 6x equals 42. I'm now using escalator. The 6 goes down the escalator. This gives me x equals 42 over 6. If I work that out, 42 divided by 6, I get x equals 7. Here is a question for you to try. Press pause and have a go. Once you've done it, press play to see the answers. Here are the answers. If you've got them right, you can stop the clip now. If you'd like to see how I got those answers, please continue watching. The top is 5x minus 4, so the bottom is 5x minus 4. This side is 2x minus 2, so this side is 2x minus 2. Now if I count the x's, I've got 5, add 2 is 7, add another 5 is 12, add another 2 is 14. Now look at the numbers. Minus 4, minus 2 gives me minus 6, minus another 4 gives me minus 10, minus another 2 gives me minus 12. This is my expression. To form an equation, I get my expression, and then it says the perimeter is 16, so this must be equal to 16. I then use the techniques of float and ping and escalator to solve this. I put a bubble around the minus 12. It floats gently over the equal sign, and you'll hear a pinging sound as it changes to plus 12. So I've now got 14x equals 16 plus 12. That gives me 28. Now doing escalator, the 14 goes down the escalator, so I've got 28 divided by 14, which gives me the answer 2.